And I just want to show you two things. So I'm going to use it with the non-latex rubber dam, and this is an endo frame. I prefer using these actually. The bigger ones that we have never seem to work. They always seem to fall off. I'm not sure why. So we'll use this, and there are two different types of rubber dam clamps. You got winged and non-winged, and I was raised on wings, and my resident colleague, Mr. Insani, was raised on no wings. So, and he can't stand the wings. So it's funny. So really simply, place the rubber dam onto the frame. Get a little bit taut, and I'm going to use actually the largest hole possible. Let me see if I can get that in the shot. Yeah, right there. I mean, probably millions of different types of hole punch. I'm going to use the largest one, and I'm actually going to place it right in the center. So the first one, there you can see the size of the hole, and I'm going to approximate that as to about 2 millimeters wide, and compare that with the smallest hole on the punch. And some of our punches are so old that we are stuck at the small, so you can see the difference in size. So sometimes the rubber dam punch, frequently the rubber dam punch is stuck on small, so I just sort of have to carve out my own little triangle that I'm using, which is not the end of it. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. But preferably, I like to use the large hole, and depending on if I'm going to be doing maxillary tooth, you can place the triangle upside down. And because I'm going to be using wing clamps, I simply place the rubber dam on the wings, and then this is our patient, sort of lying like that, and we want the rubber dam to be sitting somewhat like this. Engage it like that. Slide the little metal catch back, and take it to the patient. I'll just lay it flat, and place the rubber dam, and the patient will be open somewhat like this, so the frame is facing down inferiorly. And in this situation, what I do, because I might be restoring several teeth or one tooth, I'll just take it and stretch it forward. And of course, in this situation, you can see how it might not be applicable in all situations because there's an anterior FDP here. But if I were restoring there, I just place it there, a few teeth in advance, and off you go. Make sure that you bring the rubber dam underneath the wings, and off we go. And like I said, if you're going to be doing endodontics, you probably just place one hole, just to ensure that you have proper seal. But just another little trick. I hope that helps. Cheers.